Most people look at someone with zero friends and see a failure. They see a social glitch, a person who just doesn't fit in. But what if having no friends is actually your brain's way of protecting you? Or worse, what if your solitude is literally killing you like a pack of cigarettes? You aren't weird. You're either evolving or you're trapped. Let me fix your social circle. Understand this. Your brain doesn't care about your introversion. To your ancient biology, being alone is a death sentence. Science shows that chronic loneliness is as lethal as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. When you are cast out from a group, your brain activates the same zone that processes physical pain. To your neurons, a broken heart and a broken leg feel exactly the same. Loneliness is just a biological signal, like hunger or thirst, telling you that your survival is at risk. But here is the catch. Not all loners are the same. Psychologists identify 3 distinct types of people who stay away from the crowd. First, the shy. They want to connect, but they're paralyzed by fear. Second, the avoidant. They've been hurt before, so they build walls to avoid vulnerability. And third, the unsociable. These are the people like Isaac Newton. They don't hate people, they just have a low internal need for them. While others are busy scrolling for validation, the unsociable are busy creating. For them, zero friends isn't a tragedy, it's a prerequisite for greatness. Stop obsessing over the number of your followers or acquaintances. Evolution has set a hard limit on your brain called Dunbar's number. You can only maintain 3 to 5 best friends. That's it. Having a small circle isn't a sign of social weakness, it's a sign of cognitive efficiency. One deep connection can neutralize all the negative health effects of being alone. Better to have 0 friends than 5 people who make you feel lonely when they're in the room. So, what is the plan? Step 1. Audit your attachment style. If you're avoiding people as a defense mechanism, you aren't free, you're just hiding. Step 2. Practice exposure therapy. Treat social interaction like a muscle. Start small. Talk to the barista. Make eye contact. Lower the threshold of social threat by proving to your brain that the predators aren't real. Step 3. Embrace solitude. Kill loneliness. Use your time alone to build skills, not to consume digital garbage. Stop digging your own grave by pretending you don't need anyone. You are a biological machine designed for connection, but you are also an individual designed for autonomy. Find the balance. Build your mental armor. If you understand the chemistry of your social life, you are ahead of 90% of the world. Subscribe if you're ready to master your mind.